knee raises. You're gonna do these just like regular knee raises. I'm gonna want those knees to come to at least hip height. I want you to prevent swinging, even though I can touch the ground here while I'm reaching the bar. Optimally, when you are hanging from the bar, your feet would not touch the ground. If you start swinging, you're gonna need to slow down or cut the reps in half so you can make those reps really strict. You're just gonna take your dumbbell, place it between your legs, and squeeze it. It's gonna be right above the knees. If it's too high, it's just gonna start sliding down. So put it right above those knees, grab the bar, hang. Now, for a lot of you females out there, you're typically between 5 foot and 5'5", 5'6". Of course, there's taller females, but on average, really it's between 5'3" and 5'5". So you're gonna need to wanna find a box or a bench because you don't wanna be jumping up to the bar with a weight between your legs. You could, and that could be fun, but we might as well keep it safe. So find a box or a bench so you can reasonably and somewhat effortlessly just grab the bar, step off, and hang. Let me show you what I mean. You're gonna grab your dumbbell, put it between your legs, squeeze, grab the bar, carefully step off, and hang. If you don't have the right weight of dumbbells available, you can go ahead and just grab a medicine ball and do the exact same thing. You can even try just squeezing it between your feet as well. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.